Congratulations on purchasing your face-down pillow from Zenesse Health. Please take 2 minutes to review this quick start video to ensure you get the best from your pillow, help avoid some common mistakes, and achieve the full comfort you deserve. While all our support pillows are manufactured to the highest standards and 100% certified free from harmful substances, when a memory foam is enclosed in tight air packaging over a period of time, sometimes low levels of foam odor can build up. So, when you first open the box and take out the pillow, it's always a good idea to take off the cover and wash it on a low heat with fabric conditioner for optimal freshness. While doing this, let the foam pillow air naturally for a while, ideally outside or near an open window. Setting up. Place your face-down pillow with the open end towards your chest and the ventilation arches at the base to ensure a good airflow to your nose and mouth. Tension the adjustment cord to adjust the pillow shape for your personal comfort, ensuring the cord is always resting at the bottom. Make sure the pillow is resting on a flat surface and the ventilation arches are not obstructed by bedding or throws. Troubleshooting. My face sinks too far down. Make sure your forehead is resting on the foam support area at the top of the pillow, rather than the void in the center. This will allow the pillow to support the weight of your head and maintain airflow through the channels. If you don't rest your forehead on the top support area, it can lead to the sides splaying out and your face sinking too far into the pillow. My neck aches when lying flat. If you find the pillow a little high or you are experiencing stress in the neck or lower back while lying flat, simply lay a normal pillow under your body lengthwise from your stomach to your shoulders. This will gently elevate your torso, helping you keep your spine in line and ease any tension on your neck or back while using your face-down pillow in a flat prone position. Caring for your pillow. Memory foam is very delicate and should only be sponge cleaned by hand with a very light touch, using as little liquid and gentle cleaning agents as possible. To freshen up, you can simply spray the foam with a fabric freshener and leave to air naturally outside. The removable bamboo cover can be machine washed on a low heat or delicate setting, and while best to hang dry outside, it can be tumble dried on a very low or no heat setting. Thank you for reviewing this quick start video, and please do not hesitate to contact us for further advice or with any issues you may have. We're always here to support you, and we will always make it right.